Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about these super cute, yes cute, Rae Pre and Probiotics. I just love their packaging and design. It's so cute. But the pills are also great as well. I have a really sensitive stomach, and I have had a hard time finding probiotic pills that don't bother me. So far, these have been really nice. Let me show you the capsule. This is a 30-day supply, so there's 60 capsules. You're supposed to take them on an empty stomach, and 2 capsules a day. So they smell good. They smell really good. They are these little capsules here. So they're not too big to swallow. I find that they're easy to swallow both of them at the same time. And they have like apple cider vinegar in them, and then acidophilus and another type of probiotic. So I think these are great. So far they have, like I said, not bothered my stomach, which is awesome. And I definitely recommend them. And that is my point of view.